Bengaluru, 29th October 2025, a new chapter unfolds in India's food industry as Orkla India Limited launches its initial public offering, marking a major milestone in its journey of growth and innovation. The IPO opened for subscription on 29th October and will close on 31st October 2025, with shares scheduled to list on 6th November on the Indian stock exchanges. This launch comes after a highly successful anchor investment round, raising 500 crores rupees from marquee investors such as Nippon Life India, Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC, Ashoka White Oak, Nomura Funds, and Government Pension Fund Global. On its very first day, the non-institutional investors and employee reserve categories were fully subscribed, reflecting strong investor confidence. Formerly known as MTR Foods, Orkla India stands as one of the leading multi-category food companies in the country, rooted in India's rich culinary traditions. With iconic brands like MTR, established in 1924, and Eastern, founded in 1983, the company offers a diverse portfolio of spices, ready-to-cook, and ready-to-eat products that cater to every meal occasion. The company's strength lies in its robust network of 834 distributors and 1,888 sub-distributors, supported by 9 state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities across India, all maintaining the highest standards of quality
Good
and
afternoon,
safety.
everyone. My name is Sunaina Kalappa. I'm the CFO of Orkla India Limited. We are here in Bangalore today to talk about our issue. Our issue is 1,667 crores. We opened on the 29th of October and we will close our issue on the 31st of October. We are a multi-category food company. This is Orkla India Limited. We have two dominant brands, MTR, which is a brand which has been in existence for over 100 years. And our second brand is Eastern. It's a brand from the state of Kerala, which has been in existence for over 40 plus years. Within our portfolio, we have over 400 products between both brands. Some of our hero products are sambar, both under the MTR brand as well as the Eastern brand. Besides this, we have several other products in both of these brands. We are a company which is a dominant South Indian company. We are very heavily focused in the 4 states of Karnataka, Kerala, and in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We are a market leader in these 4 states that we operate in. 67% of our revenues comes from spices. 1/3 of our revenues comes from convenience foods, which is basically ready to eat and ready to cook. 20% of our revenues comes from exports. We export to 45 plus countries, and we've been India's largest packaged spices exporter from the country for the last 2 decades.
Eating products.
We have, like I mentioned, we have over 400 products. Our top products are sambar, chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder. Under the Eastern brand, we have the chicken masala, which is a very big brand for us. Besides this, gulab jamun, puliogre masala, and a whole host of other products that we have in our portfolio. We have a big repertoire of products under both brands.
Okay. Collection of heritage brands. We have 2 brands in our portfolio. We have MTR and we have Eastern. Both of these brands are catering in 2 different categories. One is spices, where we have pure spices and blended spices, as well as we have convenience foods. And you know, MTR is very well known for its convenience food. So these are the 2 brands, and these are the two categories that we are building. Our approach to building our business has largely been towards building local brands. And the reason why we build local brands is on account of the fact that food is local. So if you look at the cuisine of Karnataka, it is very different from the cuisine of Kerala. And the cuisine of Kerala, it is very different from the cuisine of Tamil Nadu. So even in South, which I think North Indians like me tend to look at it like a homogeneous set, actually is a heterogeneous set, because it has different cultures, different languages, and different cuisine preferences. And I think catering to the local people is the core strategy of the company. Is we want to go deep, We want to sell more to more and more people in Karnataka and in Kerala our food that we are making.
What do you want to say about the revenue generating, sir, comparing to the present like that?
In the sense that our growths have been fairly good. If you look at the long term perspective in terms of our growth, you will see that between 2010 and 2020, we grew at about 13%. Between 2024 and 2022 and 2024, we again grew at 13.2%. Of course, today, when you look at our growths over the last 3 years, they are a little muted, and they are muted on account of two key reasons. I think one reason is the fact that we have seen a consumption squeeze come into the country, where we have seen that most FMCG products sales have slowed down on account of high inflation in the country and low income, uh, low wage earning growths in the company. Therefore, the household budgets and the savings that have been there have got squeezed. And this has resulted in a slowdown in consumption. The second reason, which is very specific to our business, is the fact that spices has deflated over the last 2 years, which means that the if you look at chili as a crop, we were buying chili in the market at about 120 to 150 rupees a kilo. That last year came down to 100 rupees to 110 rupees a kilo. And this year, we bought chili at 70 to 90 rupees a kilo. Now, considering this, that 60% of the market in spices is unorganized, we have to keep a very less premium between the unorganized market and the organized market. If the premium increases, the people who are there in the organized market will go to the unorganized market because they will not see value. So we have had to drop our prices. So therefore, the value growths look very soft. But when you look at our volume growths, you will see that our volume growths have grown at about 5%. And in quarter one numbers, which are there in the RHP, you will see that our growths are at about 8.5% volume growth. So we are on a recovering trajectory, and I think we will continue to come back at some point of time to the double-digit levels.
Sir, finally, what is your message to the general public today on the special occasion of IPO meet?
Oh, but I think to the general public, I am deeply grateful. I want to thank you for being our consumers, for the love that you have showered on our brands. It is because of you that today we are being able to make this company big. It's your love and your loyalty towards our brands that have made the company big. It's a really, really proud moment for us, but I'm sure that each one of you also feels the proud that a local brand like MTR is today going to be listed on the capital markets of India.
Thank you.
Thank you.